What's up guys, it's Grishma and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you 6 creative photo ideas that you can try out in your house, and all the props that I show in this video would be easily available in your house. So before starting this video, make sure to click on the subscribe button which is down below, and also click on the post notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I upload videos every Wednesday, so make sure that you subscribe to my channel. And now that everything is set, let's just get into the video. So for the photo idea you require are these bubbles. If you don't have these, you can easily create these at home. There are a lot of videos on YouTube that you can watch on how to create bubbles at home. So you can easily create those, and I have these ones, so I'm going to be using this. All you have to do for these photos is just blow the bubbles and enjoy yourself and be yourself, and that is when you click photos. It creates some really interesting photos, and I'm looking forward to see how these photos turn out. So for this next idea, all you require are papers of different colors. Cut it into random shapes and sizes. Then you will have something like these. These are like paper shreddings that I have cut of different colors and textures and whatnot. And all you have to do for these photos is hold them in your hand and then blow towards the camera, and that is when you capture the image. You can easily create these photos by using the self timer mode, or if you have someone to take your photos, then it's like a win-win situation. Anything will work great for this photo. So let's create some amazing photo. Okay, so for the next photo idea you require is a frame like this. If you don't have a frame, you can use a cardboard or a paper cutout. Cut it in the shape of a frame, and you can select like whatever size you want according to your liking, and if and whatever color also. So this is a frame that I already have, so I would be using this one. And for taking a photo with a frame, all you have to do is like frame your face or body with inside this frame, and then capture the image. It instantly makes the photo look very nice, and I'm very excited to see the final result with this frame. The next photo idea is using a mirror like so. For this idea you have to look into the mirror and take photo from behind. So your face or a feature of your body like your eyes or lips should come in this mirror, and that is when you capture the image. You need to adjust the angle very nicely in order to get a nice shot for this one. Also if you have a bigger mirror, it would work really nice. All I have is this tiny little mirror for now, so I would be working with this one. So the other variation of the mirror one is to use an eyeshadow palette which has a mirror in it. So this is a palette that I have. It has a big mirror inside it. So the next creative photo idea is to use a paper like this. I have this very nice holographic paper which has these rainbow patterns, but you can use any sort of paper for this one. So basically what you have to do is for this is that you have to roll the paper like so. So that creates a cylinder, and then add tape to it like so. And so you have to place the camera lens in between this so that the beautiful pattern comes in the picture like so. So this is how you are going to be taking the photo. I'm actually shooting a video right now, so it's looking kind of weird, but if you take a photo with adjusting all the frame and all, it would look really nice because it has an interesting pattern inside it which will stand out very nicely. So this is the next photo idea. the next photo idea is using a colored paper or chart paper like this. A small colored chart paper would work perfectly fine. Select the color that you like. I am choosing this baby pink color, and then you require a pair of scissors. So basically what you have to do is that you have to cut this chart paper from middle like so, creating like a small little hole, and then start building it up and fold the chart paper in like random fashion. And this is how it is looking. You can like adjust it however you want it to be like, and for this all you have to do is place it in front of the camera lens like so, and adjust yourself and take photos. It's looking quite weird right now because I'm filming a video, but you will see how this works. So for taking this photo, you have to hold the camera and this in such a way that the person you're taking the photo comes in between this frame that you have, and that is when you click the picture. The 6 creative photo ideas. I hope you found this video helpful and you enjoyed the video. If you made it so far, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! So this is all the mess that I have to clean up right now. It is a lot of mess. Okay, let's do this.